1964 Ford Galaxie 500, listed in Allen Park, Michigan, for $20,000. This classic Galaxie 500 is in excellent shape, garage kept its whole life with no rust. It features a 352 cubic inch V8 engine, bored slightly over for extra power, with paperwork to prove it. Finished in rare silver mink metallic. It has a lowered stance for a sleek look. The interior has been redone and it runs great. The passenger door has minor paint cracks. Comes with service records and the original repair manual. The seller still owes on the car, so the title transfer will go through the bank. Open to trades or cash offers. Check the link in the description to contact the seller. (1977) Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe, listed in Wake Forest, North Carolina, for $15,000. This C3L82 Corvette packs a 350 V8 engine with an automatic transmission. It has a clean white interior and runs and drives well. While not in perfect condition, it still looks great and shines up nicely. A solid choice for summer cruising, this classic sports car offers both style and performance at a great price. (1975) Chevrolet Corvette, listed in York, Pennsylvania, for $15,900. This classic Corvette comes with a 350 V8 engine and automatic transmission. It features power steering, power brakes, power windows, and air conditioning. With approximately 69,000 miles, it runs excellent and is in original, unrestored condition. Described as a nice, solid car with no major issues, it's ready for a new owner to enjoy. A great opportunity to own a well-maintained vintage Corvette. (1972) Ford Mustang Mach 1 Coupe, listed in Austin, Kentucky, for $16,500. This classic Mustang features a 351 Windsor V8 engine and an automatic transmission, recently serviced with new spark plugs, battery, and oil, plus brand new tires, with less than 2 miles. The transmission has been professionally rebuilt with new clutches and seals. The body is in pristine condition, with minimal dings inside and out. The seller is offering a clean title and emphasizes the car isn't perfect, but runs strong and smooth. (1963) Ford Falcon Futura, listed in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, for $8,000. This classic 1963 Falcon Futura has a 2.8-liter V6 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. It drives and starts, but the rear brakes need repair. With only one owner and approximately 32,000 miles, it's considered an antique. A great project car for someone looking to restore a vintage ride. (1963) Chevrolet Biscayne, listed in Conneaut, Ohio, for $17,999. This street-legal drag racing machine is built for performance. It has an altered wheelbase and a powerful 454 cubic inch Chevrolet V8, paired with a strong 400 turbo automatic transmission. A straight axle front suspension, full roll cage, fuel cell, and line lock make it track ready. It features an aluminum radiator for cooling and electric exhaust cutouts for switching between quiet and open headers. Finished in hot rod flats burgundy, it has a clean interior, unlike most race cars. 1964 Chevrolet Impala, listed in Wentzville, Missouri, for $4,200 or best offer. This classic Impala features a 283 V8 engine and a 2-speed power-glide automatic transmission. It has factory air conditioning and power steering. The engine turns over, but it's not fully confirmed whether it's running. The car rolls and steers easily, making it easy to transport. It has a solid body overall, with some rust in specific areas, including the front seat braces and lower front fenders. The floors and trunk are in great condition, with no significant rust. (1972) Dodge Dart, listed in Wareham, Massachusetts, for $5,000 or best offer. This classic Dart has around 73,300 miles and is a project car with potential. The alternator was replaced, but after that, the radiator started smoking, so it may need further repairs. The car has not been started or moved since. The rear quarter panels were replaced with parts from another car and are painted, but the color does not match perfectly. The body is in good shape, though there is rust underneath and rot under the driver's side floor panel. The seller is not familiar with classic cars and prefers to sell rather than repair. (1975) Ford LTD, listed in Chesapeake, Virginia, for $8,950. This classic has incredibly low mileage at just 22,000 and is in excellent condition. It runs a 351 V8 engine with an automatic transmission and features air conditioning, an AM and FM radio, power steering, and power brakes. Recently serviced with a new battery, water pump, and tires, it drives great with no rust issues. The original spare tire, jack, and inspection records from 1975 are included. The seller has the title in hand, making for a smooth sale. (1964) Dodge Dart GT, listed in Cassopolis, Michigan, for $6,500. This Dart GT features a 225/6 engine with a fresh rebuild, including a comp cam, Offenhauser intake, quick fuel carb, headers, and GM ignition upgrade. The engine is built to run boost, prepared for adding a turbo or supercharger. It has a rebuilt push-button transmission and has been converted to disc brakes with a rebuilt front suspension. The car has new rims and tires with a new carpet interior, except for the driver's seat needing repair. The body could use a paint job, but it's still a solid driver.